I miss you too, honey.
Oh, I want to watch it. It's very strange, you know.
Il y a longtemps que tu n'as pas vu le film?
Oh.
Longtemps?
Oui,
ah,
oui.
Oui.
Somewhere I have the first version of the film, which was like 4 hours. The first cut, Emir's first cut.
Tu l'as vu, le montage de 4 heures?
Oui.
Oui.
Oui, I have it somewhere on cassette. He gave it to me.
C'était pas mal, hein?
It was good.
4 heures, oui.
Oui.
Et maintenant, on l'a coupé à 2h20. Mais ce qui est bizarre, c'est qu'Émir avait... Enfin, c'est pas bizarre, mais c'est plutôt bien, mais il a aucun regret de ce qu'il a enlevé.
Non.
Souvent, les réalisateurs, quand ils raccourcissent leur film, ils veulent faire une version, refaire la version longue.
Oui.
Lui, non, pas du tout.
No.
Il n'y a pas du tout de regret sur ce qui n'est pas là, quoi.
No, he's brutal with the cut, which I mean, a director has to be. You can't regret.
Non.
No, I always found that amazing too, like with that 12-minute shot,
Oui.
the end. He didn't care at all. He said, no, ciao.
Oui, oui. Il était juste un peu gêné vis-à-vis de moi.
Hein?
Il était un peu ennuyé pour moi.
Oui, yeah.
Parce que ça coûtait très cher, bon.
Très cher.
Et bien, il l'a mis à la poubelle.
Well, now it's back to life.
Maintenant, c'est dans le DVD et ça fait vraiment plaisir. Mais les coproducteurs du film, M. Alain Susfeld du GC, il me disait toujours tu me le montreras, le plan qu'on n'a pas monté? Je dis oui. Cette séquence, Émir l'avait imaginée quand on était en Corse.
Oui.
Parce qu'on avait vu un chien esquimau. On avait croisé un chien esquimau en Corse.
Oui.
Et il m'a dit, ce serait bien de commencer le film sur une banquise. J'ai dit, oui, bon, ça a commencé comme ça, l'histoire des Esquimaux.
I remember when we were first in rehearsals. It wasn't even really rehearsals, it was Emir and I and Jerry. One time Jerry came. We were talking in an apartment in LA, I think it was Vladi Divac's flat. And I was learning to speak all these words in Yupik, in Eskimo.
Yes.
And Jerry said, oh no, we don't need to do that. We don't need to learn the Eskimo language. We just make it up. You know? We just invent it as we go along.
Yeah.
You know, and it's Jerry Lewis. It's easier for you, Jerry. But, you know, my first day of shooting, I'll never forget, with Jerry Lewis, this legend, was trying to be as creative as he was with this made-up language, you know, to try to make it sound the same. I was terrified.
J'aime beaucoup Jerry Lewis.
Well, I mean, he's
The figure. Yeah.
The figure, the legend, the talent, you know.
Yes.
He's to say the least, he's a very inventive guy. You know? He's very.
Yes, true. Yeah. It's wonderful. It was very funny during the shooting. Tu te rappelles?
Oui.
Parce qu'il était drôle.
You're his fiancée.
Yeah. Wow.
There was a beautiful moment here when
Oui.
Jerry, we were talking outside of the house. This was in the house also.
Oui.
We were talking outside the house, and he said, we were speaking about his old friends, you know, about Sammy Davis Jr. and about
Dean Martin.
Dean Martin and his whole history, you know. We were speaking about them. And he stayed in this mindset, you know. He stayed in this mood, in this
Oui.
emotion. And he has a line here where he says, wonderful memories.
Oui.
Where everything just lifted out of his body, all those memories, he just said wonderful memories, something like that. I remember I was very, very touched.
Là, il nous fait du Jerry Lewis.
Yeah, of course.
avec la petite caméra, ça. Il y avait un matériel sur le tournage, des camions, beaucoup de monde, de la lumière, et la caméra était comme ça. On tournait avec une petite caméra Super 8.
Oui, Super 8. Ouais.
Je dis, oh là là. Ça, c'est très yougoslave, hein. Ou gitan plutôt.
Gitan, oui. Veljko Filac.
Quelle merveille, le directeur de photo. Moi, ce qui j'ai trouvé très joli, c'est quand tu as fait The Brave, que tu as repris l'équipe d'Emir, en fait.
Oui.
Les gens qui étaient sur Arizona Dream, Greka, Veljko.
Ouais. And if I do another film, I would use Greka and Veljko again.
Ah oui.
Oh yeah.
Ah oui, c'est vrai.
Oh yeah.
C'est génial, ça.
They're the top.
Mais c'est vrai qu'ils ont beaucoup de talent, beaucoup.
Oh yeah. Plus there's a, oh I don't know, there's a loyalty.
Au début, le cochon, il était grand comme ça, et à la fin,
As big
il y
as
avait
this
une
couch.
caisse. On le transportait dans une caisse.
You know, I saw him maybe, was it 4 years ago?
Le cochon?
We went to Douglas to
Yes.
look for locations, and I saw the pig, and he's almost as big as this couch, as
Ah oui?
a canapé. Oui. He's enormous, but he's alive.
Et tu l'as vu?
Oui, I saw him.
Et où est-il à Douglas?
He's in a zoo.
Dans un zoo?
Dans un zoo.
Ah, c'est
Pour les
génial.
enfants.
Je savais pas où il était, le cochon. Au début, c'était charmant. À la fin, il fallait un camion pour le transporter.
It was this big.
Oui.
It was this big. I remember Emir came to my house, and we were, sitting around eating, talking, and I said, look, I found a pig. I bought a pig in Tucson, and he was, sort of looking at the pig, and then he left, and he called me. 20 minutes later, he says, "Bring this pig to work tomorrow. Bring the pig to the."
Ah, c'est lui
the
qui a
shooting."
donné
Yeah.
le déclic.
He said, "Bring the pig to work." Brought the pig to work, and he had Jerry chasing the pig. But Faye was so great. She was so great in the film,
Elle est formidable.
and beautiful. No?
Et c'est en même temps quelqu'un de très insécure, hein, Faye. Elle était fragile.
I think at this particular time was a very fragile time for her, but I was so impressed by her, how much she cares, about, because she really cares about the work, and she's so focused on the work, and I think sometimes that depth of caring, that sort of profound caring can be misinterpreted,
Oui,
you
c'est possible, tu as raison.
like it's ego or it's this or that, but it's really, she just cares about
Her character.
her character,
Yeah,
her work.
it's true. Oui. Et c'est une énorme star, Faye.
Faye.
Grande star.
Oui, oui. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Donc elle n'avait pas une attitude de star. Elle s'est mise dans l'équipe.
Oh yeah. No, she was right there. She worked hard.
Quand on l'a engagée pour le film, on lui a demandé qui elle voulait comme maquilleur, comme coiffeur, comme habilleuse, etc. Et elle a dit, mais c'est pas grave, je veux faire le film avec Kusturica. Et il me maquillera lui-même s'il veut. C'est quand même une jolie phrase pour une star.
Right.
Ouais.
Now, all this strange stuff started happening in terms of relationships in the film. The relationship between Faye and Lily started to turn.
Oui,
The relationship between Vincent and I started to turn.
yes.
And then the relationship with Jerry and I started to turn. It was really like living what was happening in the film in a
Yes.
strange way.
Oui, oui.